the importance of it, I do think the not by way of commandment is important in terms of spiritual principle, that it's supposed to be something we remember to keep and do out of individual desire, not because we're commanded to do so. I think the commandment, if anything, can remove some of the blessings of having the freedom of agency to enter into this lifestyle and this principle. But what it's saying here is, if you want to maximize the blessings of living the commandments, you also live the word of wisdom in order to maximize those blessings. And that puts us in a proper state of being to have access to the blessings of eternal life.
I'll just add for me, because I have experienced these blessings quite literally, as one who very much was not concerned about the word of wisdom previously in my life. The consequences of living that way, and I fully believe that the substances I chose to partake of dramatically negatively affected my decisions and many of the choices I made and the outcomes, which were not good. I am a witness that as we align our lives closer to organizing, cleaning, purifying all that we are physically and spiritually, that there are serious blessings to be had, even far beyond the temporal ones that the Lord is indicating are here. There are serious temporal blessings, but most importantly, the eternal blessings, the spiritual blessings that are opened up when we choose to be clean and to have a lifestyle of cleanliness. It's beyond whatever small, temporary, momentary benefit these things would provide, if we chose not to live the word of wisdom. And so frankly, I don't even focus on the temporal, physical blessings living the word of wisdom provide. I find much more happiness and joy and strength in the spiritual blessings that are afforded when you choose to live a life of cleanliness and align it with the Lord. And that's far more impactful and of greater import to me than anything physically these blessings might provide.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.